break my car. My car just breathe. I'm sorry. I'll get a taxi. I'll get a taxi, okay? I'll get a taxi. Just breathe. Sorry. We need to take her to the hospital, please. Just open your car. Open your car.
What a madman doing in your car?
Just breathe.
How are you doing the madman?
We need to take her to the hospital. Okay.
Where are you taking her to?
Breathe.
Are you taking her to my car? No! Hell no! I'm not driving this car! What's this young girl doing with a mad woman? Hell no!
Do you need to know her before you help her? Okay, if you don't want to drive the car, it's fine. Come to St. Mary's Hospital and pick your car. I'll leave it at the reception. Pick the key at the reception. Ask of Stacy. Help me with my car as well.
Is this girl okay? What's she doing with a mad woman? What do I...
I am really sorry, okay? Your car is safe. I washed it. It's across the street from the hospital. I am sorry for everything. I know I crossed the line. But I couldn't just stand and watch a woman suffer while we argued. Please, I am sorry. I did what I thought was right. Okay? Okay, here is your key. I'm sorry. And thank you for fixing my car.
Yeah, thank you. Please.
Kitchen number.
Thank you. Please, I need fried rice and turkey.
Alright, sir. should have told me earlier, so I say thank you myself.
I'm sorry, ma. You instructed me not to say anything until he leaves.
I don't even know him, so how do I say thank you? Is he a regular customer here?
No, ma. It's my first time seeing him here.
Anyway, just say thank you to him whenever.
Alright, now.
Who is that lady? I mean, the one that just drove off. Does she work here?
Yes, that's the director. She flew in from the US last week. It seems like you have not been introduced to her. That will happen on our next conference meeting.
My goodness. What a coincidence. Look, I bought her lunch at a cozy restaurant today. I was even saying probably I'll meet her tomorrow or some other time. And she works here.
Right. Look, I understand the fact that you are attracted to beautiful women, neat women and classy women. But you see that? Sit her out. Yes, she is not on our league, my brother. See, to crown it up, she is the daughter of your CEO. I mean, our CEO of this company. I hope you understand what that simply means.
Jude, leave the league thing and what you're saying. I'm going to upgrade my league. I will upgrade my standards. Look, classy babes like this, they like guys that are hardworking. So from today, I'm doubling my work. I'm doing all the hard work.
My brother, I will advise you. You see this lady? She is a very focused woman. She's a career lady. Look, all she does is from work to her house and from her house to her office. She doesn't even have any friend. Sometimes I wonder how she relates with her family, siblings and parents. So don't even stress yourself, okay? What are you still looking at? Let's leave, man. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yo. Aha.
Jude.
Brighto.
My nigga.
Man, bro. What's up, man? You've been working since morning. Aren't you tired? Come on, I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat.
You know, I wish she's the one that just walk in here, see me busy, and then says exactly what you just said.
Who?
What do you mean who? Who else?
Oh, your wildest dream. Look, she's not around. She traveled.
What?
Watermelon. Please, let's go get something to eat. Come and tell Sweetie, they even come with me.
Excuse me? Excuse me, please. I just received an email from the director. She said
Some supervisors will be coming in from Lagos State to supervisors and on how to explore our programs on Facebook and also creating an account with the company's name. She further said that I'll be supervising the
But
program.
supervise the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll help you do that. I'll help you supervise and take the records for her.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do that for you.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thank you.
All right.
Sure. You're kind.
You're welcome.
Right. My guy. You know I know you very well. And I respect you a whole lot. But trust me, you will regret what you're doing. You see all this love, caring, and attention you're trying to give to Stacy. You will regret it. You know, she behaves as if she's a married woman, even when she is not married. Yes, I understand she is very responsible, but trust me, she is not the only woman. We have other beautiful women in this company. Don't you have eyes? What do you have to think about Victory?
Come on, man. Victory has a boyfriend.
No, she is single. I tried to link her up with Mike, but Mary said she is single, and Mary outsmarted me.
Dude, this is not what I need right now. I will patiently wait for Stacy. Like, have you visualized that lady the way I see her? She's worth the time, waiting, everything. Just don't tell me anything contrary to this thing. I'm waiting for her. I want to get yes.
So I am ranting, right?
Not ranting.
You know what?
You're not making sense.
If you hear me talk about this situation again, call me a fool. And please, with all due respect, sir, don't ever bring this incident around me.
There's no problem. I would like to call you a fool, but then let's go and eat first. Let's go grab one.
Time will tell.
You know we can't leave the company and travel. I mean, what do we tell the director when she returns?
Come on, bro. Sammy is our guy. We can't afford to lose his wedding. And you know this.
You're right, but you were there when I was telling her that I was going to oversee the project. So how do I go back my words?
Come on, you know, Victoria is there for you. Yes, she will continue.
No, I don't want anybody to insult me.
Come on, she's not like that and you know it. Okay, rather, you should be thanking her.
Please, about supervising and taking record of tomorrow's meeting. I want you to help me do that. Just for tomorrow. I'm traveling for a wedding.
What about the handwriting? It's not going to be the same.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Once I come back, I'll recopy.
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jude. My guy.
Is there something you're not telling me? Because you weren't this relaxed for Victory entering inside your office. Let alone coming in and out with a file. Look, bro, I saw her come into your office. So, tell me, what are you hiding away from me?
You know, there is a saying that came to my mind last week, which says, what are you waiting for? And, you know, as an only son, my mother keeps ringing it in my hearing. Get married, get married, get married, get married. So I decided to adhere to my friend's advice.
Which is?
Victory is also responsible.
My God!
You get the point?
Well,
Funny, right?
very.
You know, I'm enjoying what I'm getting. Yeah.
You know what? I have good news. In fact, breaking news.
Breaking news. Come on, yes. Shoot.
Come on, you need to beg me, bro.
What are you saying, man? Don't do that.
Stacy is back. Yes, she flew in today.
You know, Jude, it's just like after you get married, that's when you start seeing all the beautiful women, the curvy ones, the ones with fine face, women that naturally, once you meet them, you want to get married to them. You know? And then you start thinking if the one you married was a bad choice. I don't know if you have ever felt that way.
And it's better you get married to a woman who understands the value of being a wife and also want to be kept, rather than getting married because you think you're aging. So, what are you insinuating?
My personality. I'm talking about myself here.
And what about yourself?
Have you ever wished you get married and not cheat on your wife?
I used to think about that when I was still a teenager, not anymore.
You know, for me, nothing has changed. I still feel the same way from my teenage age. I want Stacy. She's quiet and reserved.
To be honest, I have never seen you talk about a woman like this. What a man can do for a woman.
You know, if compensating will take her off my back, I will do that. Besides, we only made out once. I don't see anything wrong in that.
But remember, if reverse should be the case here.
I'm waiting for the day I will call you mine, mine, oh mine. I'm waiting for the day I will call you mine, oh mine, oh mine. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. From the first time I saw you, baby, I fall in love. You're my kind of woman, just give me a chance. Oh, baby. I'm waiting.
What's going on? Why are you carrying a long face?
I'm waiting for the day I will call you.
Just like this.
I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. Give me a chance. I want to be
This lady.
You know her?
Yo, my guy, what's up?
Fine.
What's up with the attitude?
As you can see, I'm busy with work. I need to concentrate, so I'll be happy if you excuse me.
Oh, I see. You don't see me when no get work for my desk, Abi? Because I say I can't greet my guy. Very rude.
Is that how you're raised?
Baby!
You don't have manners. You just walk into people's office without knocking.
I'm sorry.
Brat, what's wrong with you? Why are you yelling at her?
Yes, come in. How may I help you?
The director is asking for the record.
What record?
The program heard last month. I mean the conference tutor.
Oh, my love. The second day is with you, right?
I gave it to you, sir.
Mr. Attitude, you don't have the records with you?
I think I misplaced it. Probably I left it in my house.
Look, I think you will go meet her in the office and probably do an oral explanation. Thank you very much for the attitude. Excuse me.
Yeah, come in. I betrayal.
Good day, ma'am.
Hi. Good day. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Yes, actually, I was the one that took over supervision and taking records of the whole meeting. I did that for a reason, and then I took it back home for proper compilation. But then I forgot it at home. I wasn't aware that you're back. I would have brought it this morning, but I promised to bring it tomorrow morning.
You know you're not supposed to take official files home.
Yes, I know that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So you said tomorrow morning. Please, do well to bring it. It's urgent. I need to copy the files and reply some mails as well.
Yes, I can actually brief you without the files.
Okay. Okay, great. But I still need the files.
Yes, like I said, I'll bring it tomorrow morning.
Alright. So you brief me.
Yeah, so the board proposed that we buy the Kotex shares because they are having a dip in the market. So they were thinking probably we were going to make profit buying their shares. And majority of the board supported the idea. And so tomorrow morning I'm going to get you the files and everything. Then we'll see how the whole meeting was.
Can I get a glass?
Hi.
Hi. You eat here too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, nice. Interesting.
Oh, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Mai was the one that paid for your bid the other day.
She's the one?
Yes. Sir, what can I get you?
Oh, get me white soup and semovita.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Do you always do that for random strangers?
Sorry?
You know, going around footing bills, you know? Just kidding.
thank you.
Okay, since we both drove here, see you back at the office.
Yeah, see, but then, you know you don't have to do what you did in there.
Oh, come on.
I can get the bill myself.
You know, then at the restaurant, you paid my bill, and I wanted to say thank you, but I missed my chance. Let's say this is my own way of saying thank you.
Okay, I appreciate that, but then, next time, let me be the man.
Well, that's if we will ever meet here again, because I'll be traveling soon. I'm leaving the country soon.
Again?
So you brief me.
Yeah, so the board proposed that we buy the Kotex shares because they are having a dip in the market. So they were thinking probably we were going to make profit buying their shares. And majority of the board supported the idea. Okay, I appreciate that, but then next time, let me be the man.
Well, that's if we will ever meet here again, because I'll be traveling soon. I'm leaving the country soon.
Again?
He has been right in front of me and I never noticed. How come he works in my father's company and I've never seen him? I want to see more of him. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this that I'm feeling? What is this? What is this? Okay, Stacy, relax. Relax.
Hello, my beautiful friend Vivian.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. And
Good.
you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hey, is your sister inside?
Yes, she
Good.
is.
Please help me and call her. Hmm?
Okay, let me get her for you.
Thank you.
Come in.
Okay, should I say bright? You don't look bright today. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I guess you're dressed to travel like you said. Because I know that you don't come to work early. Do you?
Well, I decided to appear early to work today. That's because I cancelled my trip.
Good, alright. Let me take you to work in my car.
Why?
Because it will be a pleasure to drive you to work.
I have a car.
I know. Come on. I'll drop you, bring you back. It's okay.
Okay. Let me quickly go grab my bag.
Alright, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
It can't be true. How did he do it? Oh my God. Women are not predicted at all. Women can never be predicted, I swear. My guy, man, I envy you. How did you do it?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Come on.
She's not an object. You're talking about her as if she's an object. She's a human. And besides, I don't want you to talk about her like that. She's not related to you.
Bro, see, I am happy for you. She entered your car.
Jude, this is my story. This is my story. Let me keep it to myself. What are you doing here?
Do you not think that I am too innocent to be treated this way?
Can we have this conversation somewhere else? It's too early for this.
I don't want to believe that I'm regretting it already. But if you knew you weren't ready for anything serious, you should have told me. Maybe we shouldn't have started anything at all. Maybe.
How I wish you would understand. I'm heading out for lunch. Care to join?
Oh no, I actually ordered something for myself.
Alright, I'm heading out for lunch.
Well, I ordered yours.
You did?
Yeah.
Can we talk about your frequent trips? Can you stay? For now. This is good.
I know. Is she okay? Why would she just leave like that?
Don't worry about her. When we are done, you can send for her. You know, man, I have lots of workload on my desk.
I'm thinking of vacation, man.
I took some home, like, I'm stressed out.
I can understand. Right. Where do you stand? I don't understand you. This is not the man I used to know.
I just wanted to apologize. That's all. It wouldn't make sense that I have asked my wife and still cheat.
You're creating enmity between her and the innocent Stacy. And this is the reason some people go extra mile in killing other people. Look, I pray and hope she forgets easily, bro. I am sure you're going to take her home because you brought her too. Right?
Of course. It's just I pray she understands, but then...
Oh, here comes the angel, innocent soul. I'll see you.
Alright, I'll see you. So I'm coming to pick you up tomorrow morning. Please, not say no.
That's all. I actually canceled my trip for tomorrow because of
I love you. I can't imagine my life without you. Look, Victory, I never meant to put you in this situation. I know you will not believe me, but nothing that happened between us was intentional. She left. I never knew she was going to come back so soon. See, I was in love with you. Yeah. Everything that happened between us was just my parents pressuring me to get married. Look, I didn't know she was going to come back, believe me. And now she's back. Just forgive me. Please.
So all of a sudden, you're falling out of love with me? You lied to me. Right, you deceived me. It's hard to believe that you actually came to my life just to while away time. Not like you really loved me. No. I find it difficult to accept all of this. I love you. Don't you get it? You're my better half. I can't replace you with anyone. I am not even ready. I'm not thinking of any other man aside you. You brought me into this. You assured me that you love me. We were building something very nice. Something real special. What happened? She's in your past. She's gone. I am your present. You need to accept me. Let's continue with what we have because I am not going to leave you for any woman. I won't let that happen. What did we start this relationship in the first place? If you weren't ready, why did you drag me into this? How do you want me to cope? What do I do? Who do I run to? Do I have another man elsewhere? Babe, Right. Sorry, I can't help you, sugar. I'm really good tomorrow.
The doctor called it post-traumatic amnesia. It happened to me after my accident. Severe head trauma. I was unconscious. I was unconscious for 5 months. Before the accident, I knew everyone. My friends, my co-workers, my father's business partners, my schoolmates. But when I woke up, everything was gone. They were all gone. Memories. No memories. It was with the help of my parents. They started showing me pictures and videos. I wouldn't have known who I was. I still can recall everything about my childhood. But, I've been trying to rebuild myself from figments. Maybe I'm healing. I believe I'm healing now.
I'm sorry you went through all of this. You are too innocent for something like this to happen to you. But I'm glad you're okay. I promise to help you recover every memory. I cross my heart.
It's funny. I don't even know if I've ever been in love. There is this guy that, used to come around before the accident. But my sister said something that stuck with me.
What did she say?
She said during the course of the accident, everyone thought I was gonna die. He never came to the hospital to visit me. But when he heard that I've started recovering, he suddenly reappeared.
That's because he was a boy, not a man. You deserve better.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, is there something else I can help you do?
Oh no, honestly, I've never been really comfortable sending people on errand, whether at work or even at home. I don't enjoy it.
I'm not complaining. You're my boss and it's part of my work. I don't mind.
I know, but the fact that I have the authority doesn't mean I should abuse it. Don't you think so?
Okay, I understand. But can we be friends so that it will be easy for you to ask?
Victory. Being friends with you might be a little bit dangerous than even giving orders.
I don't think so.
Okay, sure. We can be friends. I mean, I could use a little female friend help around.
That's fine. I'll be in my office. Whenever you need anything, I'll be here.
Yes, I will be needing Johnson's file. So bring it right away. Let's do some cleanup before submission, okay?
Right away. Ma'am, here is the file.
Okay, thank you. I want to place an order for food. Do you want something?
Oh, yeah, sure. I would like fried rice, cooked meat, and salad. Thank you.
Okay.
Action. Wow. She has a good heart. I don't think I can do this.
I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh mine. I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh mine. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. From the first time I saw you, baby, I fall in love. Oh. You're my kind of woman. Just give me a chance. Oh, baby. I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh mine. I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh mine. I'm waiting patiently.
Promise me you'll be coming to my house next week.
Well, I can promise you next week, but trust me, we'll work something out.
Huh. Don't tell me you're traveling outside the country again.
I have you here. My sister will take care of the work over there.
Fair enough. So tell me, why do you always travel outside the country? Is it for business or study? What?
So that will be gossip for another day. What? What is it, Bright? I love you.
Ma'am, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Here is your food.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Have you noticed the absence of Bright and Jude at work today?
Oh, yeah. They went to Lagos to represent us at our Lagos branch. But they'll be back in 2 days.
Okay, fine then. Thank you, ma'am, for the food.
You're welcome. Hey, honey. Is everything okay? Have they started the meeting yet?
Oh, not yet. I'm actually outside catching my eye.
Oh. Are you okay? Are you good?
How can I be good when you left all your other staff and sent me to Lagos?
Come on, baby. I miss you too. But you know you're the only one I trust to go represent us there. Okay? I would have gone there myself. But I trust you.
So, why don't we travel together?
Business before pleasure. Baby, you know how much this company means to me. You know everything we're doing is for the betterment of this company. Please, let's just work together, okay? For the rapid growth of this company, of course. And you know I love you. You're just so naughty.
What happened back there? What happened? Explain to us what happened? Why? You see that girl? You see that girl? That girl saved me. That girl saved me, came through for me when my father died. She came through for me when my father died.
Collins, I've not been seeing you in class. What happened? We had a presentation today.
Stacy, I'm just returning from my dad's burial. And I've not paid my final year school fees. The truth about the whole matter is this. I will not be able to write final exams with you guys. And there is nothing I can do about it.
Oh my God. Okay, it's okay. All right? I'll talk to my dad. Okay? I don't want you to think too much. And you missed today's presentation. The presentation has a very high score.
I was just devastated and I decided to stay out.
Like I promise, I will sure talk to my dad.
Thank you very much.
Okay. See you around.
That's it. My name came out. I wasn't even expecting it. God.
Let me see the name
During
again.
the presentation, I was so scared. As much as I studied, but then I was so scared. But I delivered. Trust me, I did so well. That was second semester. You know, the lecture.
Oh, Stacy.
Oh my goodness.
Stacy,
she's
thank you very
crazy.
much. Thank you very much. You are God sent to me. Thank you very much for helping me with my fees. I appreciate you a lot. Please, can you help me and
Please,
thank
can you just
Stacy,
stand up?
please?
You're making me shy.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's nothing.
Help me thank your friend,
It's
please.
okay.
Please, thank
Stacy, you did it again.
I had to. Come on. Why you guys are being so dramatic right now?
My God, what will I have done without you?
Come on, girl.
It's okay, guys.
Thank you.
So, where are you headed? Are you going back to school or back to hostel?
No, your lead. Anywhere you are, I'm with you.
Okay, so let's go.
Thank you.
We actually have evening class. We have to be back in school by 5 o'clock.
You see? I can't afford to hurt that girl. That girl gave me the certificate I have today.
Bobby, forget this thing where they yam. You say they talk this guy do this one for you, this one, this. Well, she recognize you. She recognize you. Why they talk?
That's the same girl. That is Stacy. She recognized her name when I called her. Same girl. See, if anything happens to that girl, I'm going to expose this mission. Hey!
You say?
Yes! That is the one! Expose who? I'm going to expose this mission. Try it! Try it and I'll pull the trigger in your chest! Yes! Who will pay? Who will refund? Who will pay the money client gave to us? Who? How much is the money? I'm going to pay you and I'm going to pay you. How much is the money compared to that girl's life? That girl saved my life. That girl made me who I am today. How much? Get ready to pay. Get ready to pay! Let's go. Let's go. Get ready to pay! Fuck!
Bobby, they fuck up, oh.
Get ready
Bobby,
to pay!
they fuck up, oh.
Let's go. You can go for all I care. Get ready to pay! Stacy saved my life. Stacy saved my life. Damn it!
Life is like buko. Each day, new page. Each day, new page. There are lessons to learn.
Stacy saved my life.
Lessons to learn.
And I can't afford to hurt that girl.
There are lessons to learn.
Something terrible almost happened to me today. Someone wanted to hurt me. I almost got kidnapped.
So, who must have wanted to hurt you then?
I don't know. I don't know who I have wronged. That's the worst part. I don't know. They had a gun. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to end my life. Okay. I love you too, but don't go. I want you to stay on the phone with me. I don't want to feel alone. Please, I'm really scared. Baby, they had a gun. They were on black. They tracked me. I was scared. I almost peed on myself. I was so scared. Okay, I'm calm.
I know you are behind all this. I know. I'm here to warn you for the last time. If anything happens to her, you have me to contend with. What's all this? I've pleaded with you countless times. I even gave you reasons why we cannot be together. What is all this nonsense? I'm warning you. If anything happens to her, you have me to deal with.
about this? I think I like the sparkles and, you know.
I like this one for you.
The sleeve.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the best.
You think so?
Oh yes, I know. So we're taking this. Yeah, we're taking this one.
Personally, I would rather go for this.
Look at the style. This is everything. This.
Yeah, this is quite lovely.
This is what we want.
Okay, let me show you this shoe. A silver color shoe with touch of pink. Let me show you.
Touch of
like
pink.
it is dreamy. Hold it. Look at this.
I want it. Oh, I love this.
You like it?
I love it.
I told you. So I'm gonna rock this with it.
Perfect.
I should get this.
Yes.
Okay.
We're taking this one. Let's
Add
add
to
to
cards
yeah.
here.
That's it. So we're doing pink and silver for the thing.
Yeah, pink and silver.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this. And then what about the bag?
Choke me. Oh God, choke me, baby. Choke me.
This is the latest deal. I think we'll have to add more than 4. You know this is Abuja. In case of necessity.
Yeah, I agree with you. Let's be on the safe side.
And what about Ogini? I love Ogini dance. I love them a lot.
What are you saying? That's perfect. I like Ogini, so yeah,
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay.
I just add Ogini and live band.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like.
Dude.
Yeah.
I hope you're planning to go on a vacation somewhere. Because you know, when you work hard, you play hard.
That's true.
Life is not too, you need to enjoy yourself.
Yeah, that's true. But meanwhile, tonight we'll watch Barcelona versus Real Madrid.
You know what the result will be.
You know, now 4-0, Barca will win.
Are you okay?
What
are you saying?
You don't know anything about football.
We have Mbappe.
Oh, you can't dance.
3 goals for him. That's
Hi, handsome. Please, can I? Oh my God. Please take me off. Turn me off. Anyways, my name is Joanne. What about you?
Dude, man, you know, I have things to attend to.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Please.
See you. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Am I the one that sent him
No,
away?
it's fine. You know, he's a married man and he has a lot of things to catch up with.
Oh, man.
So, feel comfortable. Don't I look nice, you know?
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Jude.
Oh, Jude. You're handsome.
And your name?
Joanne.
Nice meeting you.
You too.
Yes, you care for some more?
No. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I want to leave.
You're not comfortable with me?
Not really. Just don't worry. See you some other time. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you are something. See you guys later.
Excuse me, what are you saying? Like, you failed on this very simple mission? What is there to seduce a man? What were you even wearing? What did you do there? Calm down. Calm down so I can hear you clearly. So he stood up the moment you got there to sit with them? I see. Listen, you're going to try again tomorrow, all right? You are paid to do this job, so get it done. Excuse me. I don't know what is wrong with this one. I don't want. What is she will say? She's defending it.
Men will not test the guy. Maybe they know whether they. Huh? You understand?
It's all the groom smell now.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Do your thing. Do your thing.
I can pass it.
You never give us the room.
The
room get key.
Wait, tell you gentleman enough to get me money.
Like for real, they're supposed to be sponsor to carry us.
But it's because we didn't go to that place.
You don't have that long.
My sister, more kids.
That long to carry books. Inside.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god, don't do that.
Yo!
Yeah,
Cheers to good life.
Yeah, cheers to more contrast.
Contract.
And cheers to love.
I love to marry
And
life.
cheers to single life.
I don't mind.
Yeah. Don't worry. Soon.
Nigga, you're getting old. What do you mean, just to say your life?
Come on, man. You're just a lucky man.
Yourself.
Guys, maybe we should play a game like truth or dare.
Yes, I'm game.
I'm
All in. All in.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, come on, guys. We mustn't play truth or dare. Let's play something else.
Something else like what?
Anything.
Anything like what? Hold on, Jude. Are you hiding anything? Don't
Oh,
tell me
come
you're hiding
on.
something.
Me hide something. No, I'm game.
We are playing truth
Truth
or
or
dare.
So you go first.
Oh no, you go first.
Fine.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be asking you, truth or dare?
What are you doing here?
Can we talk?
What are you doing here?
Never mind. She's not around.
I know. What do you want?
Let me in, please, so we can talk. It's not safe here, you know.
How can you say that? Come, let me get the door.
Wait.
Who's that? Ah, good. Come in, bro.
What's up?
I'm good.
There is this parcel I need to go pick up. The car key.
Oh, my wife went out with the car.
Oh my God. And this is very important.
Oh, sorry. Can't you just wait? I think she will be back any moment from now.
Okay. I'll wait then.
Alright, I'll personally come call you when she... I'll just bring it.
Alright.
Alright.
If you want all of this to stop, you must make love to me.
You know that's not possible.
Really? Say so. Listen, all I want is another night with you. And I'll be fine. Deal or no deal.
Come on, what are you even saying? You know why we're here. Why are you doing this?
Really? Do you want me to tell you why? I am sure she'll be happy to.
No, there's no need for that. Look, I'll just think about it. Please, just leave. She might be back anytime. Please.
You see what just happened? It? Maybe I should tell her that we're one sister.
Oh, don't do that now. You can't be like this. I said I would think about it.
Are you sure?
Oh.
You don't want me? Are you sure?
Please, come on.
Are you sure? You don't want this? You still want to think about it? All right. Think about it real fast before I change my mind.
This is so gorgeous. You know, I can't wait to rock this. I know when Bryce sees me on this, he's so not gonna resist me. Of course. He's gonna devour me. He's gonna jump right onto me. This is amazing. Okay. Okay, you stay right here. I'm coming for you. I'm going over. I'm coming.
Open up the sleeve.
Coming!
Okay. Baby, where are you? Are you hiding from me?
I'm in the restroom.
Oh. I'm here to pick you, so we'll go downstairs and eat.
I'll eat later. I'm having running stomach.
What did you eat?
I guess too much butter. But I'll be fine.
Are you sure I can come help you?
Help me with work. I'm okay.
Alright, I guess I'll see you then.
I don't even want to see your face. Is that bad? Don't want you touching me with those filthy hands of yours. Stop touching me like that woman.
Okay. No. No way, Stacy. It's your turn.
Yes, it's your turn.
Yes.
All right, no problem. Victory. Truth or dare?
Okay. There. Cause.
You have to do it. Listen, we've been having a lot of drink. No one is gonna slush. Yeah. You have to do it.
Let's go.
For real.
Let's have it.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you a task that'll be a little bit hard. No, easy. Don't worry. Relax. So I dare you to kiss Bright.
Oh, come on, Stacy. How could you say a thing like that? Can you withstand another woman kissing your husband?
I mean, it's a fun night. We're here to have fun.
Come on, that's okay.
There's nothing there. Let's just have fun, right? Come on, do it.
No.
You are not gonna drink. You promise.
Yeah.
No drinking, no slushing.
But I'm not going to do that. Let's just say something else. Something else.
You guys are just so boring. Okay, fine. Truth or dare?
Truth.
You say you.
No, I'm serious.
Truth this time. Okay, fine. Truth. Okay. So tell me, when was the last time you had sex? The last time you made out.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure you want to hear this?
Of course I do.
Okay.
True.
Oh, stop it.
Truthful.
Oh yeah, sure. The last time I made out was last night. No, I want to tell you all. Let me tell you in full details.
Okay, I'm all yeah.
My man came last night. Although I didn't tell you guys, we had it real hot. And he left this morning.
This morning.
Yeah, and you know he is tall, light skin, pure.
Okay, fine. You see? Some people are there getting it hot, while others are crying.
Oh, come on. Who are those crying?
Life. That is life.
Sorry.
But I hope you enjoyed it.
Of course, he's good.
Come on, sorry.
And I will do that again.
I see.
Sorry to break this whole. I never told you this.
Okay.
Yeah. Our honeymoon in Las Vegas is going to be memorable, and I assure you of that.
I can't wait, baby. So tell me, did you enjoy it?
Of course. Because he's tall, light skinned, and he was so amazing.
Can we play at the?
No, that's what I told you.
I can't
It's your turn now.
No, it's my turn.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's your turn.
Right? I dare you to.
Hello. I need you to come to this hotel and pick me up. I want to leave here before tomorrow. Can you just call me, please? When you come, I'll explain everything. I want to be out of here.
Bro, is there something I need to know?
I'm as confused as you are. Does it mean Victory told her something?
That's which?
If anything happens, I'll hold you responsible.
I don't understand. Hold me responsible as because you dated her. For what reason?
Because she asked me to sleep with her as compensation.
Did you do it?
What am I supposed to do?
Did you do it?
I did it!
Look at you. I sense gossip. Look at you. God.
So what are we going to do?
Excuse me.
Should we go and meet her?
Did we do it together?
Come on, man, don't sound like that. I had no option. The girl was breathing down my neck.
I don't even know what I'm thinking right now. See, I am wondering how come my sister is the one that went to take her to the hospital while we were the one with her at the hotel.
What nonsense are you talking about? She's her sister. She's supposed to come in this morning. Probably she just came in and saw her in a critical condition and decides to take her to the hospital. My own is, why now? Huh? Why? Jesus. What is all this? What is all this?
Just...
How is she?
How is she doing?
I believe you know of her condition before now, right?
Yes, I do, but why now?
This is what we face at times. Please, excuse me.
But what conditions is she talking
Yes,
about?
I will tell you about
Please
that.
tell me.
I will tell you later. Who's calling me? Not now, eh? Why is this idiot calling me? Why is this stupid girl calling me?
Who is that?
Who else if not Victory?
Victory again. Look, I told you, that girl eye not clear. Why is she calling you? At this moment, this time. Why?
Jude, that's not my problem. My problem is Stacy. Her condition now. What am I going to do?
What is the condition she talked about here?
Jude.
How is she faring?
She's in coma. They said Stacy is in coma.
Oh my God. And how about her sister?
She went home. I think they told her to go and get something.
Okay, let's go and see her at least.
Jude, you're not listening to me. They said she's in coma. They didn't even allow me go see her.
I don't understand. You are her husband to be.
I don't know what to think. I don't even know what I'm thinking right now.
I am confused as well. I don't know what's going on, right? I don't understand.
Let's just sit and wait in the car. Let's sit and wait in the car.
Life is like buko. Each day, no page. Each day, no page. There are lessons to learn. Lessons to learn.
Right!
There are lessons to learn.
Jude! Did you not see me? What is wrong with both of you? Stupid things! Am I the cause of your predicament? You foolish he-goat! Scallywag! This has not ended yet! I will see to the end of it! Stupid thing! How am I even supposed to live here? I told you, I am pregnant and I do not wish to have my child without a ring on my finger.
Yes. Yeah. This is the file.
Hey,
Hey, babe.
this is the record to your question.
Alright. Hey, babe.
I will be traveling in 2 days' time. I came to tell you.
What about our wedding? We've put a lot on it.
Oh, yeah.
You're postponing it?
I know. The wedding can wait. I mean, it's just 2 weeks. I'll soon be back. Like I earlier said, it's actually a workshop that I've waited for their email for a long time now, which I just got. I can't afford to miss out. You know, work call. Okay, so I have to head back to my office. Meanwhile, I want you to know that I love you. You keep that in your heart, okay?
I don't know what I'm thinking. I feel somehow. I pray it's not what I'm thinking. Jude, she knows everything. I swear, I saw it in her eyes. She knows, she's just pretending.
How did you know?
She walked in when Victory was telling me that she's pregnant for me. Yes, I know she overheard it, but she's pretending like nothing happened.
Is she pregnant?
Jude, I have never seen a worse distraction in my life. I love Stacy. I have to tell her the truth. I have to tell her nothing but the truth. Please, if she comes to you, just tell her the truth.
Lunch delivery for one executive. Okay, lunch is here.
Hey, where is mine?
Okay, I'll send for it.
Alright.
So babe, I'll be in my office, okay? Enjoy. Alright guys.
My guy, why are you messing yourself up? Come to think of it, don't you think this girl is playing a fast one on you? Why not take her to the hospital and run a pregnancy test?
Harry, you think I'm in this pain because of Victory? You think I'm feeling this pain because of Victory? No! I'm feeling this pain because Stacy has seen everything. And now she wants to leave me here and travel somewhere to go and cool off.
Travel again? So what are you going to do now?
I want to tell her the whole truth. Nothing but the truth. I want to tell her the truth.
Truth? What truth?
About everything that happened between me and Victory. That devil.
You dey fool your hand, oh. Why do you want to tell her everything? She doesn't even know about it. What are you telling her? Let's go and confront this girl at her place. There's nothing to tell her. Let's go and confront her.
Harry, help me. You're like my brother. Help me. Help me. I can't do anything without Stacy. She's my life. She's my everything. I can't function without her. Just help me.
Listen to me. Go inside there. Change into something else. Let's go to her place. Let's confront this girl.
What am I changing into again? Huh? What has she not seen? She has seen my nakedness, and now, because of victory, she has seen my stupidity. If you want to help me, just
please leave this drink. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Been a while. How are you doing? What are you doing here?
Sorry, I came to hospital. He's feeling very complicated.
What is wrong?
Please, I'm sorry. Please, don't travel. Don't leave me. I'm losing my mind, please. Babe, please say something, please. I'm begging you. Don't leave me. Don't travel, please.
I'll see how I can make my trip. I'm probably traveling in 2 or 3 days' time. That's all I need. Oh, okay, alright. I have to go now. I was busy inside.
I told you she knows everything that happened between me and Victory. Huh? Just look at Stacy that cannot stay without me. She just walked out on me. Look, man, I'm going to confess to her tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm confessing to her. I'm tired of this guy's life. What have I done? What? Come on. Do you know you look very fragile? Any man can just overpower you and force you to bed.
Well, it has to be more than one man to get... Yes. Trust me, I'll kill that person.
Look who's talking. What are you going to use? Do you even have bones?
Okay, tell me. Do you think you can overpower me and force me to bed? Do you think you have the strength?
Do you want to bet on it? Put your money where your mouth is.
Ah.
Yeah.
Trust me, you can't.
Do you want to bet on it? Is it a bet? Are we betting? If I win, what happens?
Trust me, you won't win.
Is it a bet?
You want to try?
Is it a bet?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Okay! Alright!
Baby, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. I'm going to tell you everything. I'm going to tell you nothing but the truth. Please, don't leave me. Please.
She's pregnant for you.
She's lying. None of this has any atom of truth in it. She's lying. Please.
your soul and body, but you left me after all these promises. You were hoping more. You left me. You were hoping more. Yeah. Even when you promised me forever. What did I do to you? Where did I go wrong?
Hey, listen to me. It's either you give me ₦1,000,000 to abort this, or you take me to the altar and make me your wife. Because I'm not going to have any child out of wedlock. Failing to do so, my darling, I will walk straight to her office and tell her everything she needs to know. Are you listening to me at all? I am talking to you.
Hi, babe. Can I have your car key? I need to quickly rush the bank for some transaction.
Hi.
Hey, babe. Okay.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
We are going to the hospital on Thursday. That's all I can say to you.
Are you tagging me a liar?
Victory, this is my office. I don't want any noise. Leave.
Fine. What have I brought upon myself? I should have listened to his apology. Why would I even choose to jeopardize my job? Myself. What do I do now? I need to extract some money from this guy. How do I even go about this? No. I will have to choose the hospital where I'll visit so I can organize with them. This guy must pay me for wasting my time and my energy. I need to think fast. I'm losing it. Wait. See that he has already told his wife to be about us? Why is she acting senseless, but very smart? No, I don't want to lose the money and the job at the same time. Please. Pride is so wicked. I swear. I'll make him pay for it.
No, don't worry, my dear sis. I am going to make him feel every pain that I'm feeling right now. He thinks he can cheat on me. For what reason? I mean, I haven't given him any reason to do that. I love him so much and you know that.
Yeah, you remember the day I told you that I rushed Auntie Carol to the hospital? Yes, when she was in labor. Yes. The young man I used his car. What a small world. He's actually his friend. Well, I am planning to use him as a bait. I am going to use him to retaliate. He is going to feel every pain. Oh, every pain. And that is my love decision. You cheat on me, I cheat back. Oh, please don't tell me to calm down. You know I don't like the sound of that. Like, I don't even blame people who say that man has come. Of course, that's a fact. It's a fact. Alright, baby girl, I need to get back to work, okay? Yeah, she's okay.
What is going on?
Listen, so, you remember this baking machine we've been dreaming about?
Yes, you got it for me! Thank you!
Not yet, but I will. I will. I need you to do a favor for me.
What is it?
You know Marchland's bar?
Marchland bar? Yeah, okay, yes, the one with the VIP lounge.
Exactly. I need just a little favor. I want you to go there and wait. I'll let you know the time. I'll be walking in with this lousy, reckless, flamboyant guy. I just want you there. Stand by.
Guy, what are you planning?
It's nothing illegal, okay? Just an emotional chess. I believe you still talk with Bright.
Yes.
You guys are friends. I need you to take a recording of us when we walk in. Take pictures, whatever you can get. Please, everything. Take a recording of us and then send it to him. Do not let him know that I have an idea of what is going on. I want you to play innocent.
Why are you doing all this?
I gave him my heart, but he trembled on it. I need him to feel what it means to get hurt by someone you trust. And I need you to do this for me.
I'll do it.
Good. I'll let you know the time. Okay? Come here. And I'll get you the baking machine.
Thank you!
Okay.
Thank you.
What did I do you. Where did I go wrong? Tell me, baby. You left me with a broken heart. You left me even when you promised me forever. You left me with a broken heart. Even when you promised me forever. You neglect me. You neglect me. Even when you promised me forever. You left me with a broken heart. Even when you promised me forever.
Oh, Vivian. It's been long. Hey, Vivian. Just the right person I want to hear from. How are you? Oh, you sent me something on WhatsApp. Oh, okay. Are you okay? How about your sister? Oh, okay. Let me just check it now. Hello, Vivian. Where did you see them? Are they still there? My guy! Please, let me just talk with you. Please, this guy that lives here, do you know his whereabouts?
I think he stepped out because I didn't see the car park over there.
Oh. What about his wife?
She traveled.
Oh, I see. Alright, thank you.
No problem.
Why switched off? Switched off again. Hello? Vivian. Is your sister at home? Where are you? You're not back yet? No, her number is switched off. It's switched off. Vivian, you should have followed them. Oh. Henry, why will you do this to me? No, Stacy. Why would you stoop so low? Just to get back at me. Henry, you did this. You did this. Then I just scumbags. What's really going on? I'm losing my mind. I thought I do see her at the office, but she hasn't shown up. No call, nothing. I even left Henry's place around 12 a.m. last night just to see that idiot. What has he done to my woman? No, I can't stay silent.
What is wrong with him? Let me tell you, after dancing around, she will come back to me and take care of this pregnancy. I don't care. I don't care what is going on with you. Rubbish.
Baby, I've been waiting. Where have you been? Oh my God. Oh my God.
know you will come back to me. You know why? I own you. You're mine. All mine. Looking for this?
Let me have my key.
We need to talk. I told you I'm pregnant. You haven't even said anything. Or even do anything about it.
Can I have my key?
Sit down.
I don't have time for this. Let me have my key.
I don't have time for dramas either.
This is going to
down.
spoil things for me. You won't like me.
I don't care. Sit down. Let's talk. You're not listening to me.
Give me
Are you? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't. Really?
You can sleep here.
Sis. Honestly, I'm not good. I saw them together. I saw them talking. Though I don't know the content of their conversation, but I just saw them together and I felt hurt. What? Come on, I can't possibly sack her. She's the managing director in product development. I can't sack her. Moreover, it's not ideal mixing relationship affairs with work. I can't do that. You get. I don't know what to do. I'm beginning to hate the sight of her. With him, of course, God. I don't know what to do. I feel so hurt. We need to re-strategize. I can't say I'm having blockhead right now. I don't know of any other plan. Then you should think of something. I'm relaxed. Okay. Alright. I'll be waiting for your call. Yeah.
She is still very angry. What happened? She has refused to talk to anyone.
Please, plead with her to pick my calls. She's not picking my call.
She has refused to open the door. You saw that too now. Okay, maybe she's still very much angry. Later I'll speak to her.
Do you think she will listen to you?
She's my sister. She will.
How? Vivian, please. Just plead with her to give me listening ears. It's not what she thinks. I cannot hurt her.
No problem, I will.
Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, Biko.
I'll speak to her, don't worry. I will.
You will?
Yes! Yes, this is what I need. Exactly what I need. This is perfect.
You like it?
Have you sent it to him?
No, not yet.
Send it to right now, please. This is perfect. This is nice. Send it.
Henry! Good day. Where is Henry?
He went out.
Please, who are you?
It's your...
Oh, okay. Baby, is that what you really want? For me to hurt myself? Please don't do that. I swear with my life. I know I fucked up, but it was not intentional. Please, I can't just hurt you. I'm pleading, I'm begging you. Victory, please, help me. I beg you in the name of God, just tell her the truth. I promise to give you the money you asked for.
I'm saying the truth. I was with him before you came into the picture.
And that's because I asked him to stop waiting for you. He has been patiently waiting for you, but to no avail. So he moved on.
Yes, baby, I was waiting. I had to listen to him because my parents were on my neck. They want me to get married and give them grandchildren, please. I'm begging you.
So what about her? The pregnancy, the child. Do you want to abandon the child?
I noticed how much he loves you. I was hurt because I couldn't accept leaving him with nothing. Seriously, I had nothing to gain. So I lied, framed him up.
So you're not pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
What about the PT test?
Framed it. Framed it.
I mean, enough, please. Enough. Let's talk about the night at the hotel. I saw you. You both. You went to her room. Now tell me, did you go there willingly or did she also beg you? You see, at this point, I am hurt. I am shattered. And I deserve to know the truth.
Baby, I'm sorry. I know I don't have enough of excuse to cover up for that, but please, she asked me to sleep with her for the last time, just to cover up the fact that we were once dating.
I compelled him into doing that. My relationship with him was peaceful and loving. So, I wanted to have another taste of him in order to keep what we had secret.
We're actually not dating. He told me everything, same way you explained your issue with Victory. The only reason I am considering giving you a second chance is because you told me the truth. And I actually did what I did just to get back at you.
Babe, it really hurts me. I felt a heavy blow straight to my heart. You're lucky I survived. Please, let's be honest with each other. Moving forward, no more hiding the truth. Please.
My man, learn to be open to your woman, okay? Just learn to have a good relationship with her.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, my boy.
Okay, so please, let's not carry the wound of today into tomorrow. To enable us heal faster, yeah? So, I've decided to let go.
Thank you. Can I... For healing.
Come on, hug him.
Each day, no
Are you still here?
Bye!
Yeah, bye-bye.
Lessons to learn. There are lessons to learn. Ooh, yeah. Lessons to learn. Happiest person does it have it all. Happiest person does it have it all. True love always come with challenges. So love when you can, but don't forget what goes up comes down. What goes around comes around. What you sow is what you reap. Run your kuro, go ga ora.